A good day to everyone. I am Anandraj Bhavani of class 10 from Vidyaniketan Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to tell a speech on unstick your eyeballs and become a human again. So, we are in this vast pandemic period. A big virus is attacking the whole world. But it's not corona. It's cornea, which is the eye. So that means it's the eyes that are stuck to the cell phone, and give it a name. It is cellitis. So when you join it together, it becomes cornea cellitis. That even I just told. It's you stuck to the phone with your eyes and you're just watching it. So do you want to know about this horror? Yes, well, we need to face it face to face in reality. It's a disease that everyone has, even from birth to death, even old and young. Everyone has it. Everywhere you go, everyone having their cell phones in their hands, chatting, texting, watching, all activities on the phone. No one's interacting with each other or talking or playing with each other. Even nowadays kids, they only talk on phones. They don't talk in person. And even if they're next door, even some kids. So this is a very dangerous disease. This affects our brain, the pituitary glands and the pineal glands. And if this happens, you will have poor eyesight and all problems. So when you are using your phone, what happens to you is you don't have consciousness. You are not thinking about your surroundings. You don't know what's happening in your surroundings. You're not having attention of anyone next to you. You don't know who's there. You don't pay attention. You're not listening. So if you go and talk to a person who is on the phone, they won't answer you because they are on the phone. So even if you talk, they won't understand you. They'll hear you but not understand you. And if you go and show someone when they are on the phone, they'll move away because they are on the phone. And this disease is like a addiction. And actually, it's like we are in a cell locked up, and we are locked up with our cell phones. It's like every time we use our cell phones, it's like we are locked up in a place, because using your phone and walking is hard. That's why if someone starts using their cell phone on the road, they'll just stop there. They won't move. They can't, because they'll go into this phone and they'll become like a artificial intelligence. They'll go into it. So this is a main problem. Why is it so dangerous? It's so dangerous because it affects our eyes, brain, body, every single thing. Affects the surrounding people, affects the birds even. The radiation affects even animals and birds. It's very strong, the radiation. Cell phones, it's based on how the user is using it or how it's used. So cell phones were made for long distance communication, easier to do things and stuff. But actually we are using it in wrong ways. We are watching, we are talking, texting and all that. We are not using it for purpose. In this period, everyone is using the electronic things because we are in our home locked up. And actually we are not locked up in our home, we are locked up in our cell phones. That is the truth. In order to release yourself from it, you need to be active. You need to use your body, use your brain, use all your glands and all your muscles, all your everything, your whole body, that is. You need to play, you need to talk, you need to enjoy, you need to laugh a lot to be happy. You need to interact with everyone. You need to meditate. If you meditate, it's the best medicine. It clears all your body, it makes you free, it makes you relax. And kids nowadays are playing games like 24 hours a day, and the phone becomes heated up, and that heat goes through the body and it touches all our organs. And what happens to our organs? It becomes heated up and we become angry. You itself know, if the mom or dad comes to the kid and snatches the cell phone off, the kid becomes like a raged person. He doesn't know what he's doing because he doesn't have the phone. He will be like, he can't do anything. So he'll start shouting, do stuff. He doesn't know what he's doing. So this is the problem. So you should not see the cell phone. You need to only see electronics, and that is cell phone, if you want some good stuff, that is if you want information, if you want to study, if you want to search for something, if you want to contact someone for some good thing and all. You shouldn't use it just like that, because if you use it just like that, you'll sit on it. Because I know, I have been in the state and I know how it is. If you just say 5 minutes on your phone, the next minute, look, it will be an hour. It's true. So you need to like be happy and interact with everyone to know everyone. You need to talk, you need to play, you need to be with your friends, you need to like rest a lot. Actually, if you are using the phone too much, you need to rest, because if you don't rest, the radiation will be still in your body. So what I'll do, I'll conclude with a small short story, may you like it. So one day my grandma was like, she was scolding me because I was on the phone, and then I got up, and this was like, I didn't know what I was doing actually, and I shouted back to her. I was like, if I had a friend here next to me who obeys me, who does whatever I want, who makes me entertaining, all these types, and I won't touch the cell phone, I won't need it. But now I don't have a friend next to me. This is the problem with every single kid. It may sound like egotistic, or it would sound like angry, but I think I was right. You need a person that is like your best, like your friend, who like plays with you, like is friendly, doesn't scold you, like makes you active all day long. So if you had that friend, that would be the best. You won't touch the cell phone. I'm telling you, get a friend, like even your neighbors. I mean, in this period it's hard because of the coronavirus, but actually we are stuck in our cell phones, and that's the main thing. Coronavirus is nothing. It's just a virus. It's carrying us out. If you get coronavirus, it's nothing. You just need to rest a lot. You need to be happy. You shouldn't be afraid of it. It's just cough and fever, but you'll feel weak and all those types. So it just comes into our body. But if your immunity power is strong, what will happen? The virus will be defeated and you won't have the virus. So eat fruits, vegetables, don't be on the cell phone, be active, play, and all sorts. And don't ever look at the cell phone when you are in a dark background or in the night, because that's when it's too much. It will be so much radiation, it will be so heated. And in the sun, if you go and use your phone in the sun, it will get double heated and it will be a problem for you. So I conclude this. I hope you like this speech, and I think it was a good information. So I'll conclude. Thank you.